How to sign in to ATT email account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in ATT email login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, more.att.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find three bars. Click on it. Click on the option of sign in. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in your user ID. In the case you have forgotten the user ID, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on continue. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten the password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on sign in. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into ATT email account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.